fertilization procedure, male and the female nucleus, they combine with each other, chromosome 1 spindle. Ultimately, this is the second cell stage, that is zygote formation. There is no one cell stage in the fertilization. Okay. Then we see there is a cleavage division of the cells. So the 2 cell stage become 4 cell stage. The 4 cell stage become 8 cell stage. When there is the 8 cell stage in 3 days, this is called morula. So these cleavage divisions give rise to the formation of morula. And till to the morula it is covered by the zona pellucidal. Zona pellucidal passes till to the next procedure, that is implantation. Then the second 8 cell stage is rapidly converted into 16 cell stage, and when the 16 cell stage involved, they will implant it, and there is a formation of the blastocyst. So the cells will arrange themselves peripherally and in one pole. So this pole is a cranial pole. So this outer arrangement of the cells of the blastocyst, they are called cytotrophoblast, and inside they are called the cytotrophoblast. So this is called inner cell mass. So this is of the cell division of the blastocyst. Ultimately, they will puncture the endometrium of the uterus during the process of implantation. So there is a formation of the cavity called blastocyst, which will be covered by the fluid from the glands of the uterine gland secretions, and push the inner cell mass to one pole, that is to the cranial pole, and give rise to the formation of a blastic formation. This is called blastocyst. So after fertilization, next is the formation of cleavage divisions, morula stage and the blastocyst stage. Then we will go to the process called implantation, that is the first stage in the first week of development. Okay.